So it snowed. It snowed quite a bit. So I'm gonna have to try out Mitsubishi's snow mode and the all-wheel drive, see how well it does. The engineers at Mitsubishi really got it right when they give you a warning. See all the ice on the windshield? So when you start the car, possible icy roads. I'm just gonna let it warm up and I'm gonna see how it does in snow. Okay, as you can see, there's plenty of snow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in all-wheel drive, automatic four-wheel drive, and see how it behaves in the snow. So I'm gonna put the fun slide around a little bit. So let's see what it does this time in snow mode. It seems like it splits the torque a lot faster in snow mode. Alright, so I did pretty well. So let's try it on the highway and see what it does. Well, not highway, this is a deserted country road. So let's try it on a country road to see how it does. Wow, it has a tremendous amount of manners. Wow, it's behaving really well. And a lot of brakes are working well. It doesn't even spin when you start out. Whereas my Mazda 3 would spin for days. Anti-lock brakes are very predictable. Okay. So there's ice under all this snow, so it's pretty bad. I'm only doing 20 miles an hour and there's nobody out here. So it's a good test. It really is. Anti-lock brakes, very predictable. Dogging it, just gets traction. Goes. Okay, this section has a lot of ice on it, so I put it in auto mode. I want to see how it behaves. Wow. It pulled throttle, it switched front, rear. It's just very, very good. I'm amazed. No real spinning, just straight line. Just went. Very good. Okay, same kind of conditions. But this time I'm going to film what it does when you take off, and I'm going to give it a lot of gas. See, the traction control kicks in, keeps it from getting out of control, goes straight. Very, very nice. Alright, I will probably get stuck trying this, but there's a ditch in front of my house and I want to see if it can make it through in the snow, and it's very deep. So here we go. Okay, this is the second time I'm going to try the ditch. The first time the camera actually shut off, so I will do it again. Okay, so here's the ditch. As you can see, it's fairly deep, and when you're coming down into it, on this side here, I actually plowed the snow with the bottom of the front bumper out of the way. But as you can see, I don't even think it even spun any coming out of it. So it's pretty good in the snow. There's no doubt about that. Well, thanks for watching the video. Oh yeah, it did. Oh yeah, it did plow some snow up because it run along this front bumper here. It didn't do any damage, but I guess it should be a little higher if you're going to be driving through ditches in the snow. But amazing how well this vehicle behaves in the snow. I saw the video that Mitsubishi put out, and I, I'm skeptical about it, but not anymore. The video I filmed earlier where I drove the Mitsubishi through the ditch, you really couldn't tell how deep the ditch was, but it was pretty significant. And so you can see here in this patch where the bottom of the bumper actually removed the snow, and the snow is starting to melt. But yeah, it was a good challenge, especially 3-4 inches of snow, so no problems whatsoever.